Hi everyone, today we are going to see about Dreamweaver and how to use Dreamweaver to create an HTML file. Now let's see the introduction about a Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a software for design and programming websites which is going to be used to design a website in an HTML page or using an extendable HTML page or using JavaScript. Dreamweaver is developed by Adobe Systems. It's an user-friendly system where you can click a component and drag them into the view screen so that it's easy for an new learner to know about HTML in a better way. As I have told, in Dreamweaver, it's what you see and what you get. It's like a look and feel type of HTML editor. So a person who is having a little knowledge of HTML can also create a web page or a web application more efficiently. The main disadvantage of an Dreamweaver is when comparing to other text HTML editor, it is going to be very slow comparatively. Similarly, when comparing front page editor and some other HTML editor tool, it is not going to be what you see or a complete what you see, what you get editor. The advantage over Dreamweaver is we need to know the HTML thoroughly. A basic knowledge of HTML is enough to direct an easy method. It have developed or it have more inbuilt developed tools where you can plug in many capacity of the site programming. It has the powerful capacity of the site programming. And Dreamweaver is more flexible tool, does lot of things right. Here are some big advantage of this software. Device testing. Device testing is when you are going to have a Dreamweaver, you can preview what you have made before launching into the things, and you got various features. Lot of tools are available within a Dreamweaver where you can adjust them now and then according to the feel what you want will be done. Now we are going to file, so that the basic knowledge of an HTML file will develop us to make a good or a look and feel nice Dreamweaver web pages. So HTML is nothing but the hypertext markup language where we got tags to handle all these things, the hypertext language. So an HTML structure is a HTML file starting with the tag, and it is divided into two subblocks. One is head part and another one is body part. So here in the head portion, which involves all the needs of the particular web document that is available. For example, it contains the page title, it contains what are the files that has to be linked, it can have the metadata, it links the files like style sheet, incorporate JS file, that is JavaScript file. All these things will be done in the head part, and in the body portion we will be describing or we will be giving the information that has to be displayed in the web browser. When I am going to take a web browser, the area which is going to be displayed for the user, those portions will be given in the body part. So as I have told, the head tag will contain all the details about the web page. It tells about what has to be done in the web page and how it is going to be this. And again, this title tags are used to display the information in the address bar, the title bar of the web browser. Then in the body part, we can give, these are the default tags, and this is going to be the property of an body tag: bg color, background image, link, anchor link, virtual link, text. So for each property, what are the variables we are going to give, that will be adapted into the page. Then headings has in Word headings from 1 to 6, and we got blocks like body blocks can be taken as paragraph, div, and simply a paragraph text can be like this. Okay, this p tag represents the paragraph, hr is the horizontal, no shade, size 1, and a refers an anchor tag, that is called the tag which is used to link from one point to the other point. href is nothing but where that particular link is going to be linked. It is called an hyperlink. So here they have referred 3 links: team 1, team 2 and team 3. Similarly, br is used for break of the particular line statement. But ul and ol tags, ul is nothing but unordered list, which is going to be bullets. ol is nothing but ordered list, which is going to be numbers. So bulleting and numbering are available in HTML files. Then special space, br is what a break of a particular line. So it breaks, it clears left, right and or all the positions. Insert a particular image in line, that is, I am going to store an image in the folder. That image can be retrieved using the tag called image. src is nothing but the source, within brackets the correct path of the image has to be mentioned. If it is going to be download from the internet, the entire URL has to be given. Whereas if it is going to be taken from the local drive or local folder, the path of that folder has to be mentioned. Alt is nothing but whenever a message that has to be displayed with when the mouse pointer is going towards that particular image, then we can give those information in alt. Height, width, alignment, spacing. Alignment is what it's left, right, or it should be center. Here height and width is according to the image. If the image is going to be a size of 24 into 32 pixels, we can give the height as 24 and 32. When an image is going to be larger than this size, it automatically blur the image and it will be fixed into that particular position. If an height and width is not going to be given, then the entire image will be displayed as it is available in that particular folder. Tag is there, tr represents the row and dh is the column heading, td is the data column data. So td is going to be actually the data cell and tr is table row. In table also we got different properties like border, cell space, cells padding, width. It can be in pics or it can be in the percentage. If it is going to be in percentage, from the outer background for each row, header, row spanning is there, column spanning is available. We can even color a particular cell whether it should be vertically aligned or centralized, low span, column span, color of that particular thing can be. These are some of the properties that can be inbuilt in a particular cell, that is an TD. Then when we are going for a text, a simple text can be bold, italic, size of the font, then style of color of the font. These are the properties that can be given for a text, which can be in a block, or it can be in a table, or it can be in a paragraph. So wherever text is available, we can incorporate all these styles and properties. So these are the example, like for bold, italic, size. Face is nothing but what style of font we are going to use, like Arial or Times New Roman, that can be defaultly given. Then special characters, when this is going to be other important one, when we are going to use this Dreamweaver, when a space is going to be, for example, take a space is going to be given, it takes only one space, white space at a time. If I am going for more number of white space in particular space, then I should use this underscore NBSP, which is going to be a non-breaking space or a blank cell. That is, I am going to shift one white space after that particular word is given. Similarly, each special character, greater than, less than, then ampersand symbol, quotation, then registered trademark, all this got some special character which is going to be given in the Dreamweaver manually. It can be given manually. So advantage of having a Dreamweaver is, as I were told, it's going to be a very flexible tool which have lot of advantage, usability, user friendly over this Dreamweaver. Main thing is it's an device testing. As I have told, there are we can cross any device, how a website will look and feel. Next advantages like easy code error testing. With Dreamweaver, you can quickly find the errors. When I am going to not closing a particular tag, which will be easily structured, which can be easily identified, and it can be closed. For example, I am going to open a tag like paragraph, and I have not closed the paragraph. Automatically an error message will be shown and it can be easily identified. Then include font selection. So design view, where I can design as is like in Word, so that automatically code will generated for that particular code easily. Then bulked stock photos, I can retrieve various stock photos, websites, tools, massive selection will be done. When you are going to start with the Dreamweaver, you can learn. Now let's see the working with how we are going to work with the tool. So here the workspace is going to have application bar, document toolbar. Application bar is across the top of the application window. It contains the workspace, switcher, menus and other application control. Document controllers, the way the document is going to be like as a design view, live view and code view. So design view, where you are going to design. Live view is going to be the exact look and feel of the website, web page, what you are going to design. And code view is whatever you have designed, that code will be generated automatically in the code view. And we got a standard toolbar which has all this home, font designs, all those things. Then toolbar contains open, save, new, print, copy, paste, undo and redo. is on the left side of the application, specifies the button, and we got document window which going to be used to control the document, like it has the views. Tag selector locates in the status bar at the bottom of the document window, shows the hierarchy of the tags surrounding the current situation. Then working with tools like the panels help you monitoring and modifying your program. We got insert panel, CSS designer panel, and file panel. So extract panel is upload and view the PDS file on Creative Cloud, which is going to use this panel to extract them CSS, text, image, fonts, color, gradients. All these things can be taken from some place and it can be given in that particular panel. And file panel is to manage the files and folders, which is going to be developed using the web Dreamweaver site or in a remote site. Then insert panel contains the various types of object like images, tables, media files, into which will be incorporated in the document. Then Sipnil's panel is let to save and reuse the code in different pages, different site, different. Thank you.